Marketing executives across organizations face similar challenges today. They need to embrace technology and they need to adapt to technology-driven changes in customer behavior. They also need to raise awareness in their own companies of the critical value of marketing as a profit driver as opposed to a cost center. The Strategic Marketing Program at INSEAD offers a novel approach on how to deploy the critical elements of marketing strategy as a driver of profitability and growth, enabled through emerging technologies. It helps you evaluate the strategy that you have and adjust it, reinvent it. It does that by providing a transformative experience that is based on practical illustrations with case studies, with a powerful simulation experience, as well as shared learning from and with other participants. The Strategic Marketing Program is about developing your marketing strategy. At the end of the week, the deliverable for participants is to develop a marketing plan. And one of the benefits of the program is that they can do this by proofing it with other participants. We have a very diverse set of participants. Those could be senior executives and experienced marketing managers, marketing specialists who are essentially new to the field, who want to gain a fundamental understanding of marketing strategy. So we have participants from many different industries because practices can actually be shared. So what works in one sector might not have been tried before yet in another, even though it might actually work. Participants will walk away with a fundamentally novel understanding and appreciation of the marketing function as the fundamental driver of profit for their organization. So of course, the idea of this is to give them the elements of marketing strategy to develop a plan that's absolutely relevant for their own companies from day one, once they go back to their offices.